I'm gonna light up your world in today's video.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
This is officially part 2 of our 2-door giveaway Bronco build series. That's a mouthful. And I got it right in the first take, crazy. So just to recap what we've already done for the 2-door build, we added a new grille, we added new custom grille LED letters, and new headlights. So in today's video, we're going to add the taillights, we're gonna add some mirror lights, and we're gonna add some pod lights to the winch mount. And then once we get that all installed, we'll be ready for part 3 of our video where we're gonna install all of these lights with the trigger system. All the parts you see in today's video are available to purchase at buckleupoffroad.com. The best part is you're automatically entered to win the 2-door Bronco. If you don't need Bronco parts right now, guess what? We have some awesome merch that'll also qualify. The first thing I'm gonna install in today's video are these Oracle flush mount taillights. These are really cool because they're gonna sit flush with the Bronco. These are great while going off-road. If you noticed on the back of the Broncos, the taillights do tend to stick out and they could get damaged pretty easily. That's where these come in. These are offered in the red like you see here. They're also available in a smoked look if you prefer that look. I've already done an in-depth installation video on how to install these because I did have these installed on the original Buttercup long ago. So if you guys are looking for step-by-step instructions, I'll tag that video up above and you can watch that. Since this Bronco was a halogen equipped Bronco, I don't need to do any sort of thing in Forscan. Now, if you have a signature LED taillight Bronco, you are gonna have to go into Forscan and make a couple changes, but it's not hard. Next up, we're gonna install the Oracle mirror cap lights. These are awesome. I am a huge fan and I've had them, I think, on all of my Broncos so far. I've done a lot of videos off-road and it really brightens your view, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere. And I will do another video once we're done with this build. We're gonna go off-road during the day and night and we'll show you the differences with and without lighting. Now these mirror lights work with any Bronco, so it doesn't matter if you have a base Bronco where you don't have the turn signals, the puddle light, or the camera. They have little plastic pieces that will stay in place if you don't have that. Now if you do have it, all you gotta do is remove it and it fits just perfectly. Caught it! We got the mirror cap lighting installed. Now it's time to add some pod lighting. Now, since we did the mirror lights, we're not gonna put this near the A-pillar, which you would typically see these kind of pod lights installed. We're gonna install this on the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount. This is gonna come in really handy for overlanding, camping, or off-roading, because when you're in the middle of nowhere and all you have is the moon, it gets really dark outside. So once I install these and we go outside at night, I can kind of direct them and position them in the way that I want. I really like these pod lights because they come with these little covers. So I'm gonna keep the covers on day-to-day driving just so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged or anything like that. With the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount, there's a couple of places where you can install this. You got these two here or up here. I like the look of it being right here, and then we can position it whichever way I need it to go. Got the pod lights installed. Unfortunately, the wiring is pretty short, so I can't give you a little sneak peek of that. But don't worry, we have part 3 coming up very soon where we're going to wire everything up to the wireless trigger system. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out buckleupoffroad.com for all your Bronco parts, your Bronco merch, because you know you want to win this truck. And that's the end. Buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up.